Hello friends, welcome to our channel Nursing Brains. Please subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get latest updates. Today let us discuss about the most important vitamin, that is vitamin A. Vitamins are the organic compounds that protects our body. There are two types of vitamins. They are fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. What are all fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A retinol, vitamin D calciferol, vitamin E tocopherol and vitamin K phytaminodione. These are fat soluble vitamins. Coming to water soluble vitamins, those are vitamin B complex and vitamin C, which is also known as ascorbic acid. These are the two types of vitamins. Then coming to vitamin A. Vitamin A is a group of unsaturated organic compounds. Vitamin A is also known as retinol, which has some carotenoids and also provitamins. This vitamin A provides good immunity, fights against diseases and also helpful for the eyes to have a good vision. So it provides good eyesight for the people. Then vitamin A rich foods. Coming to vitamin A rich foods, carrot, cheese, eggs, fish, sweet potato, papaya, pepper, avocado, broccoli and pumpkin. These are all the foods that have higher amounts of vitamin A. Then coming to recommended dietary allowance of vitamin A. So the recommended dietary allowance of vitamin A is for male 900 megagrams or 3000 international units per day, whereas for female 700 megagrams or 2310 international units per day. Coming to children, 1 to 3 years 300 megagrams or 1000 international units per day, 4 to 8 years 400 megagrams or 1320 international units per day, 9 to 13 years 600 megagrams or 2500 international units per day. Then these are the dietary requirement of vitamin A. Coming to the next slide, what is the toxicity of vitamin A? When a person is taking more than a recommended dietary allowance of vitamin A, it leads to toxicity, which leads to certain abnormalities. So the toxicity of vitamin A is also known as hypervitaminosis. This leads to chronic liver damage, increased intracranial pressure, vision changes, hypercalcemia, a yellowish discoloration of skin and hair loss. So toxicity of vitamin A leads to these abnormal conditions. So chronic liver damage is the most abnormality condition. Coming to health benefits of vitamin A, it provides immunity, it protects eyes and it promotes bone health. Coming to other health benefits of vitamin A, it promotes reproductive health, prevents all types of cancers and promotes cell growth. These are the health benefits of vitamin A. Then coming to the deficiency disorders. The deficiency disorders are night blindness, xerophthalmia, white spots, dry skin, delayed growth, delayed wound healing, impaired immunity, insomnia, lack of sleep and dry hair. So let us discuss about the deficiency disorders in detail. That is night blindness. Poor vision at night times due to deficiency of vitamin A leads to night blindness. And xerophthalmia, abnormal dryness of conjunctiva and also cornea of the eye due to vitamin A deficiency is known as xerophthalmia. Bite spots, white triangular spots formed in the eye because of excessive building up of keratin due to bacteria, which is due to vitamin A deficiency is known as bite spots. Keratomalacia, softening and ulceration of the cornea of the eye due to deficiency of vitamin A is known as keratomalacia. These are the deficiency disorders. Then coming to the treatment, recommended dietary intake of 600 micrograms of vitamin A for adults, daily adequate intake of vitamin A rich foods, administration of massive doses of 2 lakh international units in early stages of eye disorders will reduce the progression of disease. This is for the adults. Whereas for the children, vitamin A prophylaxis program was started for the children in the year 1970 to prevent blindness in children. According to this program, children must be administered vitamin A as recommended below. First dose at 9 months, that is 1 lakh international units. Second dose at 18 months, that is 2 lakh international units. From third dose up to ninth dose, for every 6 months, the children must be administered with 2 lakh international units. So these doses are very much important. Then, coming to the general questions regarding vitamins. Let us go question by question. First question. What are the two types of vitamins? Fat soluble and water soluble vitamins. What are fat soluble vitamins? Vitamin A, D and K. What are water soluble vitamins? Vitamin B and C. Vitamin A is otherwise called as retinol. These are all the general questions that are important. Coming to AIIMS based. AIIMS Bhopal and AIIMS Delhi 2016-17 staff nurse examination questions are below. What is the dose of vitamin A for an infant at 9 months? Here you see 9 months was mentioned, so that is 1 lakh international unit. Then whereas if we see New Delhi MNC entrance examination, they asked dose given to vitamin A deficiency prophylaxis. They didn't mention any A's. So here the answer is 2 lakh international units. Then coming to BHU 2018 examination, they have given doses of vitamin A. So here the answer is 2 lakh international units. If they are asking specifically age, we want to mention according to that. Then what is dry cornea? Occurs because of deficiency of vitamin A. So the next one, Bitot spots and xerophthalmia is due to deficiency of vitamin A. So dryness of cornea and Bitot spots and xerophthalmia is due to the deficiency of vitamin A. These are the questions that are asked in AIIMS Bhopal and Delhi examination. And coming to general AIIMS others examinations, two questions are important. Which vitamin deficiency causes night blindness? That is vitamin A, and vitamin A is also known as retinol. So these are the two important questions, other important questions. So I hope everyone had understood clearly about vitamin A. And if we see on examination base, they are asking frequently doses. So doses of vitamin A is very much important. I hope everyone had understood. So please comment in the comment section regarding your ideas. Then, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Thank you.